In this video, I want to show you how to be able to print using your PC computer and your HP SmartTank 6001. So how do you connect them together? Well, this HP printer has Wi-Fi Direct, which means that you can connect directly to the printer using your PC. Over here, okay, make sure the screen is turned on. Press any button just to turn it on. You should see an icon beside this Wi-Fi icon. If you don't see that icon, the Wi-Fi Direct button icon, let me show you how to turn it on if it's not there. So the first step is gonna keep press this I button until the whole control panel is lit up. Okay, you see all the buttons are lit up now because I kept press on the I button. And now I'll press the Wi-Fi button and the arrow down button until the icon appears. Here we go. I can lift my finger because the Wi-Fi Direct icon just popped. Perfect. Next step, make sure you have some paper in your printer and you're going to press once on the I button. And the password of the printer will be printed. So this is how it looks. And if you look over here, this is the Wi-Fi Direct icon and the password will be here. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the lower right side. Click the arrow. You're going to find your printer, HP SmartTank 6000 series. Click on it. Click the connect button. It will ask you to enter the PIN, but we're going to select connect using a security key instead. And now we have to type exactly the number that you see over here. Not the one on my paper, but on the one on your paper that will be definitely different than this one. Then you're going to press the next button and it will connect. All right, as you see, it got connected. There's no internet because this is a printer. It's not an internet router. So now simply open anything you want to print. I'll open, let's say, this one over here. Press the print icon. You're going to go, and over here, you're going to go down and select Add Printer. You're going to then click on Add Device. You're going to see your HP printer, add device. It's now connecting. Usually you do not need to download any drivers. It is now ready. So let me close this. Go back to the documents you want to print. And if the printer is not appearing yet in the list, I suggest you close down the document and you open it again. The printer will be added. Sometimes it's a small box. I'll press again on the printer icon. And now when I go here, it should be, here we go, HP SmartTank 6000. Click on it. There's a few details you can change, and when you're done, simply click print, and this is about it. The document will get printed. Now, if you want to scan, you can open the scan app on your Windows PC. So just go in search and type scan. This is the scan app. If you don't have it, simply go into the Microsoft Store, right over here, Microsoft Store, and download it. It's free, it's made by Microsoft, it should work. And from here, you can select HP SmartTank, put your document over here, okay, facing down with the top part towards the left. Make sure to align this corner with the corner of the scanner. Close and press the scan button. It will scan and it will be saved on your PC. If you want to know in which folder it goes, click on Show More and select your exact folder. This is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.